Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make a video just with your pictures in a minute. I'm gonna show you some tricks on how you can do it on your iPhone. So if you're interested in this type of video, stay until the end so you can see all the tricks and tips that I'm gonna share with you today. So let's get started. Before we get started, let me tell you that in this channel you will find videos that will help you grow personally, professionally, and in your business, because I make videos about tutorials and also about parenting. So let's just get started with this video. Sometimes we as moms or as parents don't have the time to really create a video, a nice video with the editing and all the songs and maybe some transitions within some nice photos or video clips, and I have a solution just for you. This is only for the users of iPhone, because I do have an iPhone XS. That is what we're going to be using today. It has happened to me lots of times that I just want to create a special video of a special moment, maybe my daughter's birthday, my husband's birthday, my son's birthday, or any holiday you want to create a video and a nice memory to share with others or in your social media or so on. I'm gonna be using just the iPhone, and you don't have to download any other app. You just need your iPhone, your iOS, and your pictures, okay? So let's say you have your pictures already on your phone. I'm gonna grab my phone. I'm gonna be showing you here on the screen how you will be doing it. The first thing that you're going to be doing is go to your photos, okay, on your phone. Once that you're there, you're going to want to create an album of the holiday. Let's say your daughter's birthday was yesterday or last weekend. You just go to the library and you will select all the pictures that you want. So I'm gonna select today's pictures because today was my son's first day of school, and for that I'm gonna click on today, and I'm gonna select all of today's pictures just by selecting all. You can select or deselect all of them by day, see? And then you're gonna want to click on this button right here and this arrow, and I'm gonna click on that, and then you're gonna create an album. So you're gonna select add to album, click on that, and you're gonna add a name there, and you're gonna say Eli's first day of school in this case, and you're gonna click on save. You have now created this album. Now what you're gonna do is to go to albums, then you're gonna want to open this album. It's here. And now you're gonna click on the three dots right there, and you're gonna click play a memory movie, and it's already done for you. And here it is. It automatically creates a movie with slideshow, and it adds some music, and you can change the music to be happy. For example, in this case it was selected in this. I'm gonna click on that, and it changed the music. You can select any other type of music depending on the quantity of videos and pictures you have. You can also create a longer video. Let me show you here a longer video just by going to another album that I have right here. This album has 255 pictures, and it's a trip that we went to recently. So I'm gonna just select on that, and you're gonna do the same. Just select the three dots up there, and you're gonna go down, and you're gonna say play memory movie, okay? It starts creating the movie and it will automatically add some music for you and some transitions to the most uplifting videos and photos. Are you happy?
Yes.
What do you like the most?
This house. Beautiful.
It's beautiful? You like it? This video was made with 255 photos, however, not all of them were used. The app chooses them randomly, it depends. This video is a medium video and it's 1 minute and 9 seconds long. And if you wanna make it longer, then it will last 4 minutes. The shortest video is half a minute, like 32 seconds. Then you can choose the medium video, which is only 1 minute, and then the longest, which is 4 minutes. And then you have created here the video, but you haven't saved it. So if you don't save the changes, it won't be saving your video. And then you can just click on that share button right there, and you can click on save to files or save video to your phone or add to share album. Okay, so you can also share it with others through your social networks or your WhatsApp, however you want to send this video. Okay, so what I usually do after I have created and edited my video, so once that you have your album right here, you will click on the 3 dots right there and scroll down to the play memory movie. Once that you're there, you will change anything you want by click on edit, and you will be changing the title, the photos, the music, or set the duration of the video you want. Once that you have done that, because you can also move, delete, add some more pictures, you will click on that button right there and you will save the video here, or just add to a shared album or whatever you want, and it will create this video file for you. This is a perfect way to save your memories and to create just a small video of what you did, because sometimes you don't have the time to create a video and edit it. This is super easy. It will create the video for you. If you want more tutorials about WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon wishlist, check this playlist right here, because it will help you with all those questions that you may have had. And if you have any other recommendation or suggestions, leave them right here in the comments down below. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments about this video. That's it. I hope you find it useful. If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below, and click on that notification bell right there, because that will let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.